hyperspectral imaging is basically cameras that can capture wavelengths outside of that red, green, blue kind of visible spectrum of light. It's useful because different minerals can kind of reflect different, have different signatures basically for reflecting different types of light, different frequencies of light. And using AI, you can process these and use that to kind of pick out, hey, this is, here I'm seeing a lot of the signature for this type of mineral, and here I'm seeing this signature for this different type of mineral. So that AI can kind of work all that out, and the result is that you can get a map that then shows you this is where you have all of these different types of minerals around a site, around a bench, around a muck pile, or even at a higher level around a whole state or something, if you're kind of looking for ways to speed up the exploration process. The other application that you can use in metals, or even in quarries for this, is that you can detect pretty easily signatures for kind of waste materials like clay and things like that in the muck pile. So after you've blasted, you could then fly the drone with a hyperspectral camera, for example, over the muck pile. You could figure out this half of my muck pile is actually full of kind of waste material, impurities, and you could then get that, tell the loader operator basically to put that into a different area to the rest of your ore, and that could really kind of optimize how your plant runs, how your plant processes all of that material. So that's another really powerful use case for how basically this hyperspectral imagery plus AI plus drones can really help in quarries and help improve your plant performance.